display, some technical issue is there, therefore question paper, I will read the questions and explain. Okay, na? Here offline no problem, but online students concentrate properly. Here question number 1 in my question paper, in your question paper 46. See how to tackle the question. First, what they asked, what they given, to solve that what you have. In what way you have to solve that question. So these 3-4 corners you have to concentrate properly. Clear, na? I am reading total word to word NCERT textbook I read, but didn't cross 30. Like that many students are there. Clear, na? How to tackle is very, very important. Here, in which of the following arrangements, the sequence is not strictly according to the property written against it. Here, CO2 less than SiO2 less than SnO2 less than PbO2, increasing oxidizing power. CO2 less than SiO2 less than SnO2 less than PbO2. Like this sequence is given. Against it, increasing oxidizing power. Increasing oxidizing power में है बोल के उन्होंने दे रहा है. Clear ना? Here what the sequence is not strictly बोल के बोल रहे हैं. So here not strictly meaning oxidizing power. Oxidizing power which should oxidize some other. That only na? Which should oxidize some other. Nothing but it has to release the oxygen, or else its oxidation number, central atom oxidation number should decrease. Nothing but it should undergo reduction. If it undergo reduction, then it can oxidize other. Suppose CO2 is there. Is that CO2 oxidize other? CO2 is already oxidized. Totally oxidized. If you consider all of them are in the same way, +4 oxidation number. +4 oxidation number से इधर oxygen छोड़ना पड़ता. If it lose oxygen, then it can oxidize. Clear ना? Here PbO2 is there, can lose its oxygen readily compared with the SnO2, because as we move down the group, higher oxidation state stability decreases. Here +4 is there, it get converted to +2. Correct? +4 to +2 it get converted. That PbO2 converting it to PbO is somewhat possible compared with the CO2 to CO. Correct? CO2 to CO difficult. PbO2 to Pb is okay. So thus here increasing order of oxidizing power is arranged. First initially you know, finally you know. In between definitely follow the sequence. Clear, no? So therefore it is the correct statement only. Oxidizing power increasing order में high है, meaning it is going to lose oxygen or the central atom should undergo reduction. Correct? Either central atom reduction difficult. Carbon dioxide converted to carbon monoxide is very difficult. Under external agency only it can. But PbO2 converting into PbO is quite possible. Thus, it can oxidize other. Among all, PbO2 oxidizing power is higher compared with SnO2, compared with SiO2, still compared with CO2. Whatever order is given, that order is correct order, but not strictly बोल रहे हैं ना. So therefore, उनको हम consider नहीं करना. Correct? That is correct only. Next, HF less than HCl less than HBr less than HI, increasing acidic strength is correct only na? HI is strong acid, compare with HBr, compare with HCl, still compare with HF. Right? That is correct statement only. But not correctly बोल के बोले. So therefore हमारा को set नहीं होता. Next, ammonia less than PH3 less than ASH3 less than SbH3, increasing basic strength. Increasing basic strength. Basic strength on what basis we have to decide? All the central nitrogen atoms are having lone pair of electrons. The ability to lose a lone pair of electron is more, that we can treat as strong base. Correct? Ability to lose electron pair. Central atom N, P, Sb, As and Sb. Right? Hydrides are common. As we move down the group, suppose here ammonia, nitrogen, then phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Like the sizes are increasing. But electron pair will be common in all of them. Common in all of them. In case of SbH3, nothing but antimony, this pair of electron comfortably can sit up. Space ज़्यादा है. ये बाहर जाने का स्कोप उतना नीड नहीं है, because electron pair sitting is comfort, whereas your size is less, not comfort. Thus readily can able to lose. Here losing ability less. So as we move down the group, the central atom atomic size increases, thus the pair of electron losing tendency will be decreases, thus basic character decreases. But ammonia is higher, but here what is given? Lower is given. Therefore that is incorrectly matched. That only find out बोल के पूछ रहे. Correct? So therefore here third statement is right. Fourth statement, boron less than, carbon less than, oxygen less than, nitrogen, increasing first ionization enthalpy. Correct? Because boron having one electron in it, one unpaired electron, 2s2, 2p1, readily able to lose. Ionization enthalpy less. Compare with carbon, two unpaired electrons. Oxygen paired होने के बाद एक paired electron and two unpaired electrons. Paired से निकालना पड़ता है ना ऑक्सीजन का first ionization enthalpy. Oxygen is having like this. This electron is going to move, or is this electron going to move? The second one, therefore it is paired. So to become unpaired, energy required after attaining that unpaired electron should remove additional energy. Na? So therefore compare with carbon, even in case of carbon also you have 2s2, 2p2. Here two unpaired electrons are there, here also two unpaired electrons are there. But directly from unpaired electron is not going in case of oxygen. In case of carbon, it is going. In case of oxygen, paired electron should go. Clear? Na? That it is higher than carbon. And next, nitrogen anyhow off-field configuration is having highest ionization enthalpy. So whatever the order is given, that is correct. But select incorrect बोल के उधर दिए. Therefore fourth option नहीं हो सकता. So this much application you have to apply. Here only one question, but around 10 questions information in one question is there. I think in total paper this is more time taking and toughest to you is this only. Next let us see. Next, which of the following statements is wrong again? Nitrogen cannot form d pi p pi. Is right statement or wrong statement? Right only. Because inner d orbital in case of nitrogen not there. Clear? Next, single n bond n is weaker than the single p bond p. Single is weaker only na? Because size of nitrogen will be less and the lone pairs are there on each nitrogen. Due to small atomic size of nitrogen, repulsions will be there. Already repulsion will held single bond. Therefore, to break that energy required will be easy. Correct? So therefore, second statement also correct statement. N2O4 has two resonance structures. Having na? N2O4 has two resonance structures. One form to other form we have to write. So that is N double bond O, day2 bond O, single bond N, day2 bond O, double bond O. Is having a resonance day2 bond, double bond O, N, day2 bond O, double bond O. Correct? So, two resonance structures also right. The stability of hydrides increases from ammonia to bismuthine in a group 15th of the periodic table. No, na? Ammonia is liquid. Hydrogen bonding is there, more stable, but down the group, gases, their stability decreases. Moreover, central nitrogen to hydrogen the size variation increases. Correct? Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Bismuth, if you come, still increases. Now, with which hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here also hydrogen, here also hydrogen. Now, between the central atom to hydrogen, size variation is increasing. As the size variation increases, stability decreases. Clear? Na? So, therefore, fourth statement for us correct. It is incorrect. That only we have to select. Next, the molecule having smallest bond angle is smallest bond angle. All trihalides. Bond angle will be smallest. They are asking. In what way we have to apply? MCl3, ASCl3, SbCl3, PCl3. As we move down the group, bond angle go on decrease of similar type of halides. Similar type of halides, if you check, here it is the nitrogen, MCl3, nitrogen, then phosphorus, PCl3, AFCl3, SbCl3 and ASCl3. Here ASCl3 and SbCl3. Here, while the bond angle here, these are the bond pairs of electrons, and on each the lone pair of electrons there, lone pair of electrons are there. Here nitrogen electron negativity is more. Thus, with the chlorine it will make a bond, one thing, and its size is less. If the size of central atom is less, on which 3 chlorine atoms are arranged. Now the chlorine atom sizes are more here. So it is lesser. Therefore, the distance between this chlorine to this chlorine will be compared with the distance between this chlorine to this chlorine is less here, because the central atom size is lesser. If the central atom size is less, between these two distance come like that. Therefore, between similar type of chlorine atoms, repulsion will be more. Right? If the central atom size is lesser, attached chlorine atoms, repulsion will be more. Here, attached chlorine atoms, repulsion will be less because its size is more. Clear? No? If the central atom size is more, here these will be at a distance only. But here, these two are closer. So, as the central atom size increases, it's a trihalide. Whatever halides between halogen atoms, here repulsion will be less. If the repulsion is less, bond angle is less only. Here if repulsion is more, they will move far. Clear? No? Here bond angle will be more, here bond angle will be less. Clear? No? So such a type of application we have to apply. And here, not only one, here lone pair also there. Here size is lesser, these two are together. Due to, here it costs to give more repulsion according to Vesper theory, lone pair. So therefore, a bond pair may be stretched like this. If in this way stretching will be there, here bond angle decreases. Correct? Here bond angle size, a lone pair say decrease. So lone pair is one of the reason, and repulsions between these two also one of the reason. At a time, 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 issues will be caused. In them, who is dominating, we have to check. Clear? Lone pair, due to presence of lone pair causing the repulsion is one of the reason. And between chlorine atoms size, repulsion is one more. So repulsion and lone pair, in these two who is dominating, we have to decide. Right? So almost reason rahita abnormality is also there. Right? So one thing you have to remember, that as the size decreases, that same type of halides bond angle decrease होगा, because repulsions between chlorine and chlorine will be less. Okay, no? That is dominating here. So therefore, third option is right. Next, which one of the following does not have a pyramidal shape? Pyramidal shape. All are nitrogens only, na? All are nitrogens, but here NX3 type. First one is what? Trimethyl ammonia. if you check here what happens around central atom 3 bond pairs 1 lone pair. That nitrogen undergo sp3 hybridization with 1 lone pair, the deviation. Right? If you observe like that, all are same. Next, N SiH3, 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 like silane. Here, if nitrogen bond is not there, SiH4. SiH4 is silane, CH4 is methane. Here trimethyl. Here silane SiH4. Here, na? So here what happens? Silicon size will be more. Here also having same lone pair. Silicon size is more. If you count 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Here also 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair. You know Vesper theory. 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair. Here tetrahedral structure deviated by 1 lone pair is a trigonal pyramidal. It also should exist trigonal pyramidal. Let us check. And next, one more will be PCH3 taken thrice. PCH3 taken thrice. Here also 3 bond pairs with 1 lone pair. 3 bond pairs with 1 lone pair. It is also pyramidal. Clear? No? And one more will be PSiH3, SiH3. Here also 1 lone pair, 3 bond pair. In every central atom, sp3 hybridization with 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. So all the molecules will be pyramidal actually. If that is there, not pyramidal question create करे ना, in that case we have to think क्या हो सकता बोल के. Clear ना? Here nitrogen with methyl. Compare with methyl. Here SiH3 size is more. Here methyl is there. Here also SiH3 is there. Right? 2 SiH3s and 2 methyl groups are there. No doubt. Whenever methyl groups are there, they are trigonal pyramidal only. Because compared with the SiH3, methyl size will be less. Therefore, hindrance not big. In these two, if you consider, nitrogen size is less. Here phosphorus size is more. Here the repulsions are less. Here the repulsions are more. Clear, no? If the repulsions are more, the deviation in structure may possible. Compare with this, here possibility is more. Therefore, among all, this option correct होने का chance रहता. Existed ऐसा रहना, मगर due to size, a bigger size of SiH3 and the hindrance held between these, repulsions will be there. Due to repulsions, the deviation may takes place. इसमें थोड़ा deviation होने का chance है. इसमें उतना नहीं है. और इनको suppose NCH3 taken thrice को NH3 से compare करो. H are very small. Repulsions will be negligible. That's perfect pyramidal. Now here methyl groups maybe deviation will be more compared with H. Like that you have to study. Correct? Everyone undergo sp3 hybridization with 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair will be pyramidal only. But due to more repulsions and small size of this, here deviation costs more. So that is the reason why it may deviate. That you have to decide. Clear na? Next. Which of the following is a solid or direct? NCERT way, what way is there? That you have to check. Nitrogen pentoxide is a solid. N2O5. The element that has the least tendency to show the inert pair effect is least tendency. Inert pair effect. Down the group, inert pair effect increases. Correct? Huh? Therefore, top one. In these, phosphorus sulfur nahi ho sakta because they are third period elements. Boron and nitrogen are second period elements. Third period elements, inert pair effect will be more compared with the second period. Right? So, least they are asking. Therefore, phosphorus and sulfur nahi ho sakta. Your fight will be between boron and nitrogen. Right? Then as the size decreases, control will be more. Because nucleus nazdik रहता ना, nucleus to outermost shell distance will be less. If distance will be less, that nucleus can control outermost electrons properly. उनको छोड़ने का उतना नहीं रहता. साइज ज्यादा किनको रहता, वो साइज ज्यादा रहे तो उनका आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन को कंट्रोल करना नहीं होता, करेक्ट? इफ द साइज इज इंक्रीजिंग, control of outermost electron by the nucleus will be decreases, then that electron can go out easily. So in boron, ability to lose electron will be more compared with nitrogen, correct? So in that way elimination se answer final kar dega. So therefore boron is correct. In this p block elements, more than 50% of periodic classification atomic properties trends application होता है, right? Inorganic chemistry periodic classification of elements जैसे atomic properties, whereas organic chemistry general organic chemistry GOC, right? General organic chemistry में perfect रहना, जब p block elements में atomic properties trends towards the period and towards the group क्या है बोल के उसके ऊपर ग्रिप ज्यादा रहना, इन दैट केस वी कैन डू. ओके, नेक्स्ट, द एसिड स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हाइड्राइड्स इंक्रीजिंग इन द ऑर्डर. ये डिफरेंट आर गिवन, करेक्ट? सिलिकॉन, फास्फोरस, सल्फर एंड क्लोरीन. इन ऑल द केसेस दो रोल लेना, सिलिकॉन, फास्फोरस, सल्फर एंड क्लोरीन. दैट ओनली ना, सिलिकॉन, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. These are the central atoms. Strong acid बोल रहे, करेक्ट है? Strong acid बोले तो इनसे रिएक्शन में इन्वॉल्व हुआ सो H बॉन्ड क्या रहता? Here SiH, PH, SH and ClH, right? इधर क्या होना? This pair of electron किधर withdrawing ability ज्यादा रहता, this hydrogen can go out as proton readily, correct? Immediate ऐसा क्वेश्चन रहता है कौन सा एप्लीकेशन करना, वो क्लिक होना तुम्हारा. These are the non-metals, no doubt, all are non-metals. Then strong non-metal रहे तो more electronegativity रहता, more electronegativity रहे तो bond pair of electron उनका तरफ strongly लेते, strongly लिए तो that H can go out as H plus readily, correct? Among all, this is the strong electronegative of. Next to that this only na, next to that this, next to that this. Therefore here SiH4 is less, it is weak than PH3, than H2S, than HCl. Which option? Clear na? Next, choose the correct options from the following orders. It is also like first question. Basicity order, that is basic strength. NH3 greater than hydrazine greater than hydroxylamine greater than NF3. Who is strong base? That only na? Who is strong base in them? Either NH3 is greater because nitrogen size is very small. Very small, on which electron pair can go readily. One thing. Other, suppose NH3 is there. NH3 ability to accept the proton is Bronsted-Lowry base. Proton donor is an acid. Proton acceptor is a base. Among them, who can accept the proton readily? That we have to think. Clear na? NH3 get converted into NH4 plus by accepting one H plus. Nothing but nitrogen के ऊपर रहे so electron pair readily दे सकते. Similarly, hydrogen if you come, what is the difference? Here NH3 and NH2 and here one more NH3. Correct? This is NH2. Now, instead of hydrogen, here 3 hydrogens are there. Here one hydrogen, 2 hydrogens and one amino group is there. This one amino group क्या करते हैं? Due to more electronegativity of this, compared with hydrogen, its electronegativity is more now. So a bit, little bit, it can withdraw a shared pair of electron. Similarly, this nitrogen also from this side. But here, due to this NH bond, H can donate to this electron density. This H nitrogen को electron छोड़ते ना. Now here three hydrogens whoever are there, all the three hydrogens will release electron density to nitrogen because nitrogen electronegativity is more. Thus, on central nitrogen atom electron density increases. If electron density increases, here existed lone pair can go out readily now. Nothing but this pair of electron readily given to proton. Nothing but it accepts the proton strongly. Compare with hydrogen. In hydrogen it is not hydrogen. With respect to this NH2 group, electron density is not going to increase on this nitrogen. Correct? A nitrogen के ऊपर electron density increase नहीं हो रहा, मगर इधर hydrogen से electron density increase हो रहा, इधर two hydrogen से ही increase हो रहा, it is not nothing but on this electron density compare with here less only na. If electron density is less, this proton donating ability compare with this lesser, it can donate, but compare with this, that is lesser. Therefore, it can act as strong base. Next to that, next to this, and one more क्या दिए? Hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine. Here, this is hydroxylamine. Here, electron pair is there. Two hydrogens similar with hydrogen, electron density releasing like this. Correct? But oxygen, even compare with nitrogen, is more electronegative. Increase छोड़ो, silent नहीं बैठ रहा है. इधर silent बैठ रहा है थोड़ा. इधर silent नहीं बैठ रहा है. ये क्या कर रहा है? Withdraw कर रहा है. Withdraw करे तो इधर deficiency होगा. Deficiency हुआ तो electron pair बाहर छोड़ते क्या वो? यही deficiency में रह रहे. Deficiency में रहे तो electron pair बाहर जाने का chance है क्या? So इधर compare with this, it is still lesser. Clear ना? You have to understand this, how to apply, how to tackle the question. This information you have to check. ये तुम्हारे को मालूम है ना ये? This information you come to know, but here apply करना. Next, one more will be NF3. NF3 रहे तो 3 fluorines very strongly withdrawing. बहुत बिकारी हो गए. करेक्ट? तब इन्हों दूसरों को इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर देने का चांस है क्या? क्लियर है? So like this, every question you have to tackle. Concept मालूम है तुम्हारे को? मालूम रहे तो concept को क्या तो कहीं ऊपर उठा के क्या गिरा बोल के देख के टिक मारे तो difficult है. Almost 90% inorganic chemistry में reasons रहता नहीं रहता बोल के नहीं है. Knowledge based बोलते ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग का. Knowledge based रहता abnormalities corner में, but some concepts also there. So those concepts we must in a position to apply. These type of problems not big issue. On one, many applications are going to apply. 3-4 varieties of reasons are there. In those 3-4 varieties, who is dominating fixing will be tough. If such type of questions will come, that is tough. It is not tough, not that much tough. Compare with first question, this question is easy only. Therefore, which is right? First option. Next, PH3 and NH3 on separate reaction with calcium hypochlorite produce respectively. PH3 and NH3 on separate reaction with calcium hypochlorite produce respectively. Calcium hypochlorite is what? Here PH3 plus CaOCl. Calcium hypochlorite वही है ना? Because calcium is divalent. Hypochlorite is ClO minus. Hypochlorous acid HClO. Clear ना? इधर प्रोडक्ट क्या आता? Similar की NH3 बोलेंगे. PH3 and NH3. NH3 with CaOCl and OCl. Here what kind of product is going to form? That they are asking. Clear na? In case of PH3, here phosphorus vacant d orbital is available. Here vacant d orbital is not available. And size of nitrogen is less. Here size of phosphorus is more. Clear na? Electron electronegativity of nitrogen is more, electronegativity of nitrogen is less. Correct? In that case, what kind of products are able to form? We have to check. Either calcium hypochlorite, whatever is there, CaOCl2 है देखो, CaOCl2 से हमारे को क्या आने का चांस है? फर्स्ट वी हैव टू डिसाइड. एक्टिव सॉल्यूशन बोले क्या? कैल्शियम हाइपोक्लोराइड, उतना ही कैल्शियम हाइपोक्लोराइड बोल के बोल रहे हैं. इधर जनरली क्या होता, दिस क्लोरीन लिबरेट हो जाता. Here it liberate the chlorine. CaOCl taken twice है देखो. इसमें से ऑन डिकम्पोजिशन एक कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड आता. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड आने के बाद सपोज इफ यू नीड लाइक दिस, इट इज गोइंग टू कम Cl2O. This Cl2O further liberate the chlorine with half mole of oxygen. Suppose इनको वाटर में डाले तो HCl and HOCl आता. Correct? So HOCl further get converted into O, nascent oxygen, that is of like this. So chlorine liberate आ जाता. Once if chlorine is there, with chlorine these compounds reaction. So PH3 phosphine with chlorine or else red phosphorus with chlorine हम cover करें. Correct? Phosphine with chlorine PCl3 plus HCl, 3 moles of HCl. So 3 moles of here, whatever this calcium hypochlorite is there, calcium hypochlorite liberated chlorine gas attacks on phosphine to give PCl3 plus HCl. Similarly, if you take NH3, in that case, if chlorine is there, here is not restricting how much chlorine is going to apply. Is not restricting. Suppose if chlorine limitation करे, different आता. Chlorine limitation नहीं करे, in that case, here ammonia molecules 2 will come forward, liberate the nitrogen gas with इधर हम बोले देखो तुम्हारा NH3 2 moles with 3 moles of chlorine get converted into N2 plus 6 HCl. Excess of chlorine and excess of nitrogen reaction हम बोले तुम्हारा, right? So here chlorine not limited, therefore excess of chlorine with ammonia, nitrogen with hydrochloric acid. That hydrochloric acid being an acid attacks on here remaining ammonia. In that case it get converted into ammonium chloride. 6 moles are required. Hydrochloric acid getting cancelled. Thus 8 moles of ammonia reacts with 3 moles of chlorine to liberate the nitrogen gas with ammonium chloride. That is one possibility. Suppose if chlorine and ammonia proportionates are different, in that case NH3 plus Cl2 gives NCl3. दोनों combination एक बार check करो. Here P4 is not possible. In this case only PCl3. Phosphorus could not give an atomic phosphorus. But PCl3 will be there. Options में check करो. P plus N2 not possible. PCl3 plus NCl3 there is a possibility. NCl3 आने का possibility नहीं है बोल के हम 100% नहीं बोल सकते. Remaining options एक बार check करेंगे. तब PCl3 plus N2, then PCl5 not possible. Fourth option not possible. First option not possible. There is the possibility of second and third. Second भी हो सकता, third भी हो सकता. That depends on here whatever they given. If they are not mentioned, क्या बोल के excess of ammonia और excess of chlorine बोल के mention नहीं किए, तब हम क्या expect करना? Either NCl3 is stable or N2 is stable बोल के पकड़ना. NCl3 is stable or N2 is stable? NCl3 is a explosive compound बोल के बोले हम. NF3 is somewhat stable, but NCl3 is explosive compound. आने का स्कोप है मगर स्टेबिलिटी का चांस नहीं है. Therefore third option we have to opt. Second कहीं को नहीं होता बोल के तुम पूछे तो हो सकता, मगर third still stable का है ना. So your style of preparation समझ में आ गया अब कैसा प्रिपेयर करना, कैसा टैकल करना बोल के. इन डिटेल इनऑर्गेनिक क्वेश्चन वेरी बहुत टाइम लेके परफेक्ट उसमें रहे तो मतलब तुम्हारे को एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं हम आगे कंप्लीट ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स क्या रहता है, इवन डी एंड एफ वो ना बोले तो coordination complexes in all these cases slowly in this way you have to apply, for which everything very clearly explain कर रहे हैं, therefore properly hold and apply. Clear na? Next, ammonium dichromate on heating liberates a gas. The same gas will be obtained by ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate on heating. Here NH4NO2 will give N2 plus 2 moles of H2O na? How that ammonium dichromate NH4 taken twice Cr2O7 it get converted into 2 4 are 8 4 moles of H2O with N2 with Cr2O3. Clear na? How the nitrogen is liberating on heating ammonium dichromate, ammonium nitrite heating also nitrogen. It is a direct reaction. Not only you, every student will do this. इधर तुम competition नहीं कर सकते. Correct? Everyone are doing, I am also doing. What is the specialty? Everyone are doing, I am doing. Most of others are not doing, also I am doing. Then you will become at certain stage. Clear? So therefore, heating ammonium nitrate is correct. Heating ammonium nitrate क्या आता? NH4NO3 on heating, same 2 moles of water along with that laughing gas, nitrous oxide आता. Another will be treating Mg3N2 plus H2O. वो क्या आता? Mg3N2 plus H2O. I given you a general statement. Any metal that is nicosanide, metal nicosanide upon hydrolysis with water to give the hydride of nicosan, hydride of the nicosan along with the hydroxide of metal. Thus MgOH taken twice, MgOH taken twice with ammonia. Correct? So that ammonia liberates. And one more क्या दिए? Heating hydrogen peroxide with sodium nitrite. Heating hydrogen peroxide with sodium nitrite. Hydrogen peroxide क्या देते? Nascent oxygen को देते. In that case here nitrogen is with +3 oxidation number, it get converted to +5 oxidation number. So therefore here H2O with NaNO3. Correct? Like this also many students are going to do. इनके ऊपर very clear cut idea you should have. During explanation time पे concentratedly you have to listen क्या चल रहा है बोल के. क्या तो बैठे इन्हों क्या तो explain कर रहे हैं, चला रहे बोले तो नहीं चलता. देखो pin point starting exam onwards for every test में 40 cross करना बोले तो this much you have to do. Anyhow you are committed. Clear ना? कंपलसरी हम एक अच्छा मेडिकल सीट लेके निकलना बोल के है ना. इन दैट केस यू हैव टू कंसंट्रेट प्रॉपर्ली. क्या तो क्या बोलते हैं, एवरीवन आउटसाइड आल्सो स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर, आई एम आल्सो स्टूडेंट बोल के नहीं चला. परफेक्ट पढ़े तो ही, परफेक्ट कंसंट्रेट करे तो ही आता, अदरवाइज नहीं आता. देखो नेक्स्ट, N2 forms PCl3 whereas phosphorus can form both PCl3 and PCl5. Why? Simple. Nitrogen vacant orbitals, vacant d orbitals नहीं रहेगा. नहीं रहे तो क्या है प्रॉब्लम? एक्साइटेशन में नहीं जाता. एक्साइटेशन में नहीं गए तो +5 ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर नाइट्रेट फॉर्म हो गए ना. ये नाइट्रोजन एक्साइटेशन में नहीं गया. एक्साइटेशन में गए तो भी वेकेंट ऑर्बिटल नहीं है, बट ये ऑक्साइड +5 में आया नहीं आया. सिमिलरली ये NCl3 उनको और एक क्लोरीन ऐड करे तो NCl5 कहीं को नहीं आता. Here also +5, here also here +3, here +3, here +5, here +5 हो रहा, here +5 नहीं हो रहा. To oxygen at a time with 2 electrons make the bond. In what way? This is the 2s2 2px2y1 z1, right? नाइट्रोजन के पास रहे तो लोन पेयर ऑक्सीजन एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, एक्सेप्ट कर रहे बोले तो लोन पेयर में रहे तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इधर रहे तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स से बॉन्डिंग में जा रहे हैं. Lone pair of electrons on nitrogen, that is nitrogen will be helium 2s2 then 2p3. With respect to 2p3 NCl3 आ गया +3. इधर लोन पेयर है, देखो ये लोन पेयर में रहे तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इनसे बॉन्डिंग में जा रहे क्या? As a pair definitely it will not involve in bonding. पेयर कंपलसरी अनपेयर होना ही. पेयर अनपेयर नहीं हुआ तो बॉन्डिंग इम्पॉसिबल. याद रखना, डेफिनेटली पेयर मस्ट बी अनपेयर, राइट? बॉन्डिंग में इन्वॉल्व होना बोले तो अनदर काइंड ऑफ बॉन्ड इज देयर, दैट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. पेयर वन ऑफ इट कंट्रीब्यूट्स एंड लेटर इट इज गोइंग टू शेयर. वन ऑफ इट कंट्रीब्यूट्स बोले तो कंट्रीब्यूट ये करने को तैयार है, ये नाइट्रोजन लोन पेयर है, मगर इधर वेकेंट ऑर्बिटल नहीं है ना. अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ दिस इट इज अंडरगो पेयरिंग. whenever it undergo pairing, then to this vacant orbital it will contribute. That provision is there in case of oxygen. In case of oxygen वो provision है. Suppose if it is chlorine, ऐसा रहेगा, correct है? In chlorine ऐसा रहेगा, ऐसा रहे तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन किधर जाते? जाने का चांस नहीं है ना. इधर नो वैकेंसी पोजीशन, ऑल आर पेयर्ड, नो वैकेंसी पोजीशन. वैकेंसी पोजीशन नहीं रहे तो ये पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन को देने का चांस नहीं रहता, करेक्ट? सो देयरफॉर विथ मोनोवैलेंट हैलोजन एटम्स नाइट्रोजन कुड नॉट फॉर्म पेंटावैलेंट कंपाउंड, करेक्ट? विथ मोनोवैलेंट हैलोजन substances nitrogen could not form pentavalent compound. In case of that ये फास्फोरस ऐसा है, समझो फास्फोरस रहे तो क्या होता? इधर वैकेंट d ऑर्बिटल अवेलेबल रहता, therefore a इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर जाता, तब 5 अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो जाता. नाउ 5 अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स में इधर each अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन गोइंग टू इन्वॉल्व विद दिस वन, देन पेंटावैलेंट होने का स्कोप है. समझ में आया? सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू अप्लाई. थोड़ा इनिशियली टाइम लेते, वो कॉन्सेप्ट लेने में इनिशियली टाइम लेते, मगर प्रैक्टिस में रखे तो वेरी फास्ट यू कैन डू. कंपल्सरी यू मस्ट बी कीप इन प्रैक्टिस. ओके, रीडिंग शुड बी इन दैट वे. पढ़ते देखो क्या तो मंत्र मंत्र उच्चारण करते क्या है उसमें अंदर मालूम नहीं रहता. हमारा को भी एक बार वैसे रहता, देखो क्या तो पोएम्स रहता, नृत्यानुप्रास रहता, सुनने को बहुत अच्छा लगता, पढ़ने को भी अच्छा लगता, समझ में नहीं आता, करेक्ट? उनको छंदस्स बोल के एक है, उसलिए याद रहता वो. इनको क्या है? इट इज नॉट हैविंग एनी छंदस्स, रिथमेटिक कुछ भी नहीं है, करेक्ट? सो उसलिए ये याद नहीं रहता. सो देयरफॉर इनको क्लियर कर लेना, ओपन करके क्लियर करके रिसीव करे तो डेफिनेटली एप्लीकेशन परफेक्ट होता. तब 40 क्रॉस होता. देखो नेक्स्ट, विच वन इज राइट? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज राइट. व्हाट मे बी एक्सपेक्टेड टू हैपन व्हेन फॉस्फीन गैस इज मिक्स्ड विद क्लोरीन गैस? फॉस्फीन गैस विद क्लोरीन गैस, इधर ही लिखे देखो, ये फॉस्फीन, ये क्लोरीन, क्या है? PCl3 एंड HCl आ रहे हैं ना, है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट क्वेश्चन. ऐसा एक 10-20 कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर ग्रिप लिए तो ऑलमोस्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर उसमें ही रहेगा. वे आर फास्टिंग विल बी डिफरेंट. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, सेकंड ऑप्शन राइट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड्स हैज PP बॉन्ड? स्ट्रक्चर डाल देना. H3PO4 एक ही फास्फोरस है, देयरफॉर इमीडिएटली रिजेक्ट कर सकते ना, और नहीं होता बोल के 100% है, राइट? नेक्स्ट, रिमेनिंग 3 में तुम्हारा को फाइट है. H4P2O6, H4P2O7, one information I gave you, odd number of oxygens रहे तो ऑक्सीजन एटम एज ए ब्रिज्ड एटम जैसा रहने का स्कोप है, करेक्ट? देयरफॉर POP बॉन्ड होता मगर PP बॉन्ड होने का स्कोप बहुत कम रहेगा, लाइक दिस, करेक्ट? Here डबल बॉन्ड वो कंपल्सरी एंड OH OH, करेक्ट? H2P2O5 है, O7 है ना, H4P2O7 है, therefore one more OH here, one more OH here, pyrophosphoric acid. So either POP bond is there but not a PP bond, correct? And the next metaphosphoric acid बोल के दिए, देखो metaphosphoric acid exists as a trimer. हम about that I given P double bond O with day2 bond or one more double bond O also you can write because excitation, and here this is correct. HPO3 is like this. Here this is as a day2 bond at ground state, at excitation state double bond, because in phosphorus vacant d orbital is available, thus excitation possibility is there. One undergo linear overlapping, other undergo lateral overlapping, correct? With one oxygen d pi p pi, with one more oxygen p pi p pi, क्लियर ना? ऐसा हो जाता. नाउ इनका ट्राइमर बोले तो कैसा हो सकता? One of the pi bond polarized towards oxygen side, that it attain partial negative charge, it attain partial positive charge. उन्होंने 3 molecules दिए उधर, करेक्ट? ट्राइमर बोल के दिए ना, ट्राइमर बोल के दिए तो what is ये phosphorus एक एटम रहता, this is there and it is with the one O here, this is one O. इनको एक O डबल बॉन्ड O वैसी है, एक OH भी वैसी रहता. Now this is with positive sign, it is with negative sign, correct? Now ये negative sign से one more phosphorus will come forward as O. Now ये भी HPO3 है ना, ये पॉजिटिव है ये नेगेटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव ये नेगेटिव, राइट? ये नेगेटिव है ना, ये नेगेटिव linked with one more positive, so that is either P double bond O OH and here one oxygen. देखो HPO3 ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, therefore इनका बीच में ऐसा बॉन्ड फॉर्म होता है ना. This is the HPO3 taken thrice. Can you expect any PP bond? PP bond है क्या इधर? नहीं रह सकते. So 3 are not there. 1 may be there. That is H4P2O6. H4P2O6. That is H4 बोले तो टेट्रा हो गया, 1 phosphorus. 1 more phosphorus को आए तो double bond OH OH. Therefore between these two a bond H4P2O6. Therefore there is a PP bond in H4P2O6. Clear na? So these are taking one more. The number of POP bonds in cyclic metaphosphoric acid. देखो यही क्वेश्चन. Number of POP bonds. 1 POP, second POP, third POP. How many are there? 3 POP bonds in cyclic metaphosphoric acid. So 3 given. Third option. Simple. ये 15 क्वेश्चंस में 15 आउट ऑफ 15 लेने का स्कोप है. अप्लाई करने को ना, रीडिंग योर प्रिपरेशन बोले तो ऐसा रहता. देखो क्या तो फुल 24 आवर्स में एक 5 घंटा नींद लेके 2 घंटा अदर एक्टिविटीज को इन्वॉल्व करके टोटल 7 आवर्स ओनली आई एम गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब. 16 to 17 आवर्स आई एम लिसनिंग, नहीं तो रीडिंग. आउटपुट क्या है? लेस देन 30. Okay then, time is taken. Okay, so one more day also I will discuss the same. At least 1 or 2 papers in this way if I go through, remaining inorganic part we have to recover. Clear na?